Remi, what you eating? Dried cherries.
Dried cherries.
Mm.
Yum yum.
Can you feed Mama? Can you feed Mama some? Oh, yeah.
Oh! You stinker, you ate it. I don't want plastic. I want a cherry. Oh, thank you. You didn't like that, huh? Was this bird food here? No. 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 You eat it. Here. Take it. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby chick. Come here. Chick. Come here, chick. Eye. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Mouth. Ah.
Gross, Mom.
Thank you. Uh-oh.
You guys are ridiculous. He's gonna be so embarrassed of this later. This one's going on YouTube.
Here. Thanks.
You're so silly.
He usually eats it. He doesn't give it back to me.
Oh well.
Getting lots of slobbery cherries today.